Can you get him out?
So right here we have a Zigbee, which is communicating with our truck over here running an Arduino. And a simple program we have right now is when we hit W, the truck is supposed to drive forwards. When we go to hit N, the truck should start steering towards north. It's a little rusty, but north is actually towards the building. So it should start turning in this direction. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So we started the truck. As it starts rolling, we're going to go ahead and start running north. And as you can see, it starts turning. A little rusty, but it makes it. X to stop, and we'll bring it back. So what we're going to do in this test is we're going to show that the truck can drive forwards once again. Then we're going to set it on a heading north. And then from north, what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how we can do a heading hold and actually make the truck move east, and essentially proving that we can set a vector for our truck to move. So as it just starts driving, we're going to go north. So there's the program starting to run north. It's a little wobbly. This is kind of our overall test. And now we're going to say head east, which has to think a little bit. And not quite east, but I can adjust that with the Q and E key on our keyboard. I'll give it a little bit of an adjustment there. Give it a little bit more. Go back a little bit. And now it should be heading relatively east out of the parking lot. Okay, so it's coming back west to us, and we're going to go ahead and put that heading on. As you can see, the truck is kind of drifting. So we're going to set that heading again. And you see that program start, and there he goes, headed back east.
Okay, here's the robot. We're going to take off the body now so we can take a look at the inside, show you what we got going on. Okay, so right now you're looking at most of the stuff. We're going to take the GPS off real quick to take a look at the Arduino. That's Parallax GPS chip we're using. And yeah, under here we've got the Zigbee shield with the Arduino, and that's the the Arduino Mega. So yeah, and we've got our compass module right over there, and of course we've got our drivers and our power. And up here we're running a range of IR sensors. We'll be adding some more to that, some ultrasonic, some bigger sensors up top. And under here's the motor controller.
Motor controller is based off the Pololu X2 controller, and essentially what we have is we're using a hacked serial line off of the coprocessor. So the Atmega will send commands for the motors and steering, and underneath our vehicle. If this will open, we have a small encoder right in here, and this will dictate the velocity of the wheels. So it's not quadrature, so we don't know the direction, but we do know the speed relatively well.